Hey everyone. All right, so I just want to give you a little bit of information about what's going on for the next few weeks before we head into our virtual learning at the end of April or early May. So, if you look in the grade book right now, all the grades I had, all the papers that I had have been graded. So any grade that you turned in physically is in the actual grade book, okay? I graded a couple virtual ones that you turned in, but not too many. Sometimes I had to like say, hey, look, you didn't do this, this, and this, and redo it. All right, so that's what we're looking at. The papers are the assignments that are in the grade book right now is what's going to be graded. So on April 24th, you close the grade book, and whatever grade you get, you get. All right. So if you, yeah, tell them. So if you have any grades that you haven't turned in, so if you have a blank in there, you need to get that turned in. All right. That way I can grade it. Next week I'll just put zeros in there just to kind of remind you, like, hey, look, this is what your grade's going to be. Now, another thing that you can do is if you have something that you don't like the grade on, maybe you did really bad on an assessment or one of the things you turned in wasn't that great, you can go Mr. LeCase, hey, what can I do to bring that grade up? And I'm like, sweet, so I'll give you opportunity. So anything in the grade book is completely open for you guys to try to change the grade and get a better grade. So, yeah. So you go, hey, look, I don't like this assignment grade. What can I do? And I'll give you something to do, and you can bring it up. So everybody in this class can have an A if that's what they want, okay? So just understand that there's two things. One, you're going to work on turning in anything that you're missing. And two, if you don't like a particular grade, let me know, and I'll give you something to do to bring it up. Now, our continuity learning, we're still using the positive physics. That's just me kind of testing out different things, looking at how effective it is or not. And I'll give you guys a little survey at the end, probably this week to see how much you like the positive physics. See if it actually is a good platform for you guys to use. But right now, when you go through it, just answer the questions. Like I understand you might not know what the answers are for everything, and that's fine. All right, I just want you to answer the questions and see what the assessment is. You do the video, get your assessment, and I just want to see what it does. So you got two more for this week. It is this is actually, I think it's only like 10 problems or something similar to that. So look at those two. It's doing a little bit of math stuff, but you'll be okay. I think. I hope. Anyway, if there's anything that you need. Oh, one last thing. I think I might move office hours up to noon. I know a lot of you guys don't even wake up until noon, so I'll be looking at doing that as well. But anyway, please, if you have any questions, comments, anything, you either got email, Discord works, office hours also works. And yeah, just make sure you get all that stuff in as well. So that's it. All right, see you guys. I really don't get what all the fuss is. All I'm doing is what? Fishing? Catching bugs? Decorating my house? And what? I gotta pay 398,000 bells? Now I'm in servitude. It's like real life simulator. Great. Now I have a second job. Barb, do you find any tarantulas?